Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The chair prepared for Ìnshè Òṣáìn, chant, Lerikan adifafun Àwọ Sáràkó, Baba wele Àwọ abania aye, Baba Òrúnmìlà Kọláde ΟgBè, Ka ilebo lebo ΟgBè Ìwòrì, Sáràkó laye. Pataki, sacred story. On this path, Àwọ Sáràkó used to sing to Èṣù and to Òrúnmìlà, and everything always turned out well for him. He had a friend named Àwọ Bàsérò, who constantly advised him to go to the house of Ìbàrà Kọláde, who was a brujo, sorcerer. But Àwọ Sáràkó never paid him any mind. Seeing that his friend remained firm, Àwọ Bàsérò went to the sorcerer's house and told him he had to steal the seat where Àwọ Sáràkó sat. One day, Àwọ Bàsérò visited Àwọ Sáràkó's home, waited until he left without calling him, and immediately ran back to steal his chair. Èṣù, who was walking down the road, saw Àwọ Bàsérò carrying Sáràkó's chair. Realizing what had happened, Èṣù began to sing and dance, Molongo, Molongo, Iku Molongo, Iku. Molongo, Molongo, death, Molongo, death. And suddenly, the house of the brujo caught fire. Ìbàrà Kọláde ran out screaming, and just then, Ọbatálá, the divine Orisha, arrived. Sáràkó came running and asked Ọbatálá what had happened, and saw Èṣù approaching with his chair. Èṣù snatched the luere, ritual rattle, from Ọbatálá, shook it toward the brujo, and he regained consciousness. Then Ọbatálá said, "When you see one of my children in great distress, call me, for I will deliver you and Àwọ Sáràkó from any trouble. From today, you have a sacred pact, and you must respect it. Also, you must live together, so that things may continue to go well." Note: the white rooster, Akuko Funfun, is offered to Èṣù along with the chair. The hen, Adi, and two white doves, Ayele, are given to the head, Ori, and to the seat.